If you're wondering how you can find cash buyers on PropStream, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Now, first off, remember that PropStream is a paid program. So if you're planning to download it, you do need to pay for a subscription. There is a 7-day free trial, but you do need to enter in your credit card info to be able to access the program, the website, and also the mobile app. But once you have access to it, all you have to do is, for example, if I want to search up for a property in Orlando, all I have to do is search up the property, and then after that, I just have to click on filter. And on filter, you'll find that there's a cash buyer option right there, right? It's much easier than most other real estate program, because other real estate program usually doesn't have a direct cash buyer filter. But as you can see on the options right now on the screen, there is a direct cash buyer filter that you could toggle on to find cash buyers easily on PropStream. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.